Okay, this is going to be a demonstration of my multiplayer graphics engine that I've been working on. You enter capflag.js, and now it's going to ask us to pick a team. We'll go with the black hat team, and we pick an avatar, and now we tag the flagpole to teleport to that team's spawn spot. Now we're going to we'll come in this way from the south just to show you this. There is a new variable, by the way. WZ keeps track of the number of moves the player is allowed. Every movement takes one away from that. You start with 99, and when you get to 0, you have to wait. You get a new movement point every 1 second, but you can walk up to 5 steps per second. So that kind of gives you a certain balance in the game. The inventory I'm about to show you is a mess, but the variables are there. WZ, we currently have 61, so it took 40 to get here. If we hit this switch, you can see it closes the drawbridge and nobody can get into the castle. We can turn it back on, and it also changes it here. So if that is switches off, you got to go around to get to the inside the castle. And I'll show you another really cool thing we've got the univac doing over here. And that's in this door. You can see we get this key here, and when we click the red gate, the gate opens, you can enter. Click the gate again, gate closes. Now if you don't have the key, if you skip getting the key, gate won't open or close. So you get the key, get the, oh whoops, wrong key. There we go. Get the blue key and go through the blue gate. So those are some kind of cool things you can do, and I'll show you one more little thing we do. This is one of our mapping trips. We go through this door and we go up to what I call the Princess Tower, and you can see there's clouds here. So we can have these extended cities that we've got when we enter a door or something. It can either go up or it can go down depending on the level. So now we have a three-dimensional 2D tile-based game. Now to show you all this working, how do I get to the other browser window? This is in my way right here. Over here is the compiler to show you what you just saw. Let's get a refresh, and I'm using the keyboard to scroll. And let's flip the orientation, shall we? Oh, it's over further. There. Enter the city, and now you have the list the object stack. When you hit the red gate, there's the code. So there you can see the punch code required. This saves the object Z location into the A register. If it has a red key, then if the A register is equal to 50, then it will set the object's Z location to, I believe, 49. There it is, 49. And so this is all done with this punch code, and it's all saved inside the item, and you can go down and see all the codes for the other ones. I'll show you a really neat one too. We got to exit the city first. Did we exit the city? It's all the way up here. Another really cool one would be this well here. Click the well, and you can see there's this little, in brackets, well, and if you click the bucket, you see here in brackets bucket, and you see the punch code there. If you go all the way down to the bottom, you see the predetermined scripts. These are macros. Right here is the code. Whenever I want to put a well in, all I got to do is enter well. There's the punch code that will replace an empty bucket with a bucket of water and pop well over the player's head. Here, if you don't have a log, it gives you a log, removes the log from the screen. The fire pit, if you have a log, it turns the log into a fire. So this is all done with this punch code compiler that exports the code to the univac. So everything is coded, everything's secure from this one file. GFX holds the single source of truth for all the rules. The univac is a dumb server that can do smart things. And with this scripting, I will have the Qville gaming engine back online here in no time. In fact, everything you just saw me do, you can download the source for yourself and actually play this on your own computer. And soon I'll have a hosting setup where we can actually just play online like we used to. Thanks for watching. See you in game.